Mobile repairs the ability to go out to a customer's location and handle probably about 80-90% of all repairs that are needed.
There's a couple different things when it comes to mobile repair. It's one, helping customers that are in a breakdown situation, and two, it's helping customers fix their equipment out in the field.
You are able to call someone out on site where there's no other trucks in front of you, no other equipment in front of you. You are the sole customer at that point, and that mechanic's attention is focused on your equipment. It can save you tons of time to have somebody come to your location, fix something, and get you out on the road fast. That's one of the major ways that mobile repairs work.